Hello pop-uppers, I'm Cheche. Here's another video of pop-up design that you're gonna love to be doing. If you are interested to know how I did this, then keep watching. We will be making a box, so we need to get the exact measurements of every side. This is the tab of the box, which is 0.5 inch. The height of the box is 1 inch. The top cover is 0.5 and the width is 1.5 inches. This is now ready, so let's cut. Putting little strips of papers like this is helpful because this is where we put the elements later. If you can remember, this is my sketchbook that I've turned into a journal. I have shown you the January chapter before with a pop-up design of a moving bee. If you haven't seen the video how I made it, just click the link in the description below. In this video, this pop-up box is for February chapter, and the theme is all about sloths. I love drawing sloths because they are just so cute and so adorable. So now, here's our box ready to be placed on the spread. Here are the elements that we're going to put in the box to complete the illustration. As you can see, this little box in the corner and the other one at the back will give the 3D effect of our illustration. Okay, our pop-up box design is now finished. Ta-da! It's a little jungle in a tiny pop-up box. I thank God for giving me enough strength and patience after a few failed attempts. I hope that you enjoy watching it and I encourage you to try it too. Pop-uppers, whatever your goal is right now, even if it's the most complicated one, just remember you can put a jungle in a tiny box. So don't give up. You can do it. Just add a little creativity and you're good to go. For sure, you can make your dreams come true. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye!